Okay, so both bikes are running excellent, perfect almost. Just a couple things to do. I bought a bad battery on this. I bought a bad battery online. It wasn't very expensive, but had a 12-volt display on it, and I was enticed by it, so I bought it. And when I start this up, it it it's going to have a little problem, but the video is to show you this 12-volt display, clock, and temperature gauge. Now, I made that carbon fiber casing. It comes just a circuit board and a display, and of course I made all the wiring harness on here. So it's got a new dashboard. The other one had 68,000 miles. The new dashboard is only 29,000. Actually, it was 27, so I've put about 2,000 miles on it. So this bike has about 2,000 miles on it since the engine rebuild. It has pretty decent gas mileage and it's pretty fast, but I was getting about 200 miles before, 180 to 200 miles per tank full, which is approximately 3.5 gallons. And now I'm getting about like 160 to 180. So it's still only about 20 miles behind, but it's a lot faster than what it was. So let me see if I can start this up and show this one. Now, you can get this online. It's only $4, and it's a really good unit. I bought 2 more of these. Now, the mistake that I made is that I put epoxy on the circuit boards to waterproof it and accidentally glued the adjust button, which is right there on the top. I can stick something in there and adjust it, but because I epoxied it, I can't adjust it anymore, so it's 1 hour behind. So let me go ahead and show that off. I'm going to turn off the light when I do that, so hang on. Let me turn off the light here. Okay, so so there it is there. Let's see if she'll start. There's 12.4 volts. It's actually 735, it's not 8, and it's 26.7. It's a really good display, probably the best I've ever found. Now I've got another one right here. This one was $8. Not only is it $8, it controls all the fans, and you can see it says 11.2 volts on it. So it says 11.2 volts on this one. This one's more accurate, but anyhow. I rewired everything. I tricked out the wiring's tricked out, and well, this is 13.7 volt on it.